Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the basic crochet step. Okay, the first one is the slip knot. So, how to make slip knot? Just hold your yarn like this and make a loop. And this is the small end and this is big end. So, take the small end on this loop and pull. You will get this kind of thing. This is called slip knot. This is first slip knot. Then we will learn how to make crochet chain. Insert your hook in this loop, and to tight this loop you can pull this small end. You will get tight one. Don't make it too tight. Okay, now we will start how to make chain. Wrap this long yarn around your finger once, okay, and with your third finger and thumb hold this short end so that you will get some kind of tension here, okay. And now you can start. Hold a crochet like a knife or you can hold it like a pen. Now yarn over, and once you get like this kind of thing, you just pull. You will get first chain. I'll show you one more time. Yarn over and pull through. This is your second chain. Yarn over, okay, and pull through. This is your third chain. Now I'll wrap this yarn on my finger. Once you become comfortable, you can yarn as many times as you want. Okay, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull. Okay, this way you will get complete chain. See this way. Okay, you will get like a V-shape structure. V-shape structure that is called crochet chain. Now I'll show you how to make single crochet. Okay, one loop is there on your hook. Now insert your hook into next chain and then yarn over and pull through this first chain. How many loops you have now on your crochet? 2, right? 1, 2. Now yarn over and pull through. I'll show you one more time. Already one loop is there on your hook, and then insert your hook into next chain and then yarn over and pull through the first chain. Now how many loops you have? 2. Then yarn over and pull through this. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Insert the hook into this next chain and then yarn over and pull through this first chain. Now 2 loop is there, yarn over and pull through. Okay, it looks complicated, but once you practice and you will get the rhythm to make single crochet properly. Get this kind of stitches. Last, okay, okay. One hook is okay. One loop is there on your hook. Go to the next chain, yarn over and skip that chain, and then you will have 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through. So this is your single crochet. Now just chain one. Yeah. Now I'll show you how to make double crochet. See, here you will get V-shaped structure. Okay. Yeah. Now double crochet. So already one loop is there in on your yarn. Okay. Make a tension here. Hold it with your finger, third finger and thumb. Okay. Hold it here. Now I'll start. So double crochet. So what I have to do, yarn over first and then go to this chain, first chain. Okay. So how many loops you have now on the crochet? 3, correct? 1, 2, 3. So now what you will do, yarn over and pull through this 2 loops, only 2 loops. Okay, 1 and 2. Now again yarn over and pull through. So this is double crochet. I'll show you one more time. Yarn over. First you have to, one loop is already there on your crochet. Yarn over and go to this V-shaped structure. Okay, in this you will get 3 loops. See, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and pull through this only 2 loops. Okay, not 3. Yeah, 1 and 2. Now you got 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through this 2 loops. Okay, perfect. So yarn over, then go through this loop or this V-shaped structure as I called, and then you will get 3 loops here. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, pull through this 2 loops, only 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull the remaining 2. Okay, so yeah. Sometimes the project requires triple crochet also. So now I'll show you how to make triple crochet. Okay. So I'll just wrap the yarn around my finger. Okay. And hold the project with my third finger and thumb. Okay. Now I'll make, okay. Yeah. So I'll show you how to make triple crochet. See, already one loop is there on my crochet. So 1 and 2. This time I will yarn over twice. 1, 2. And then I'll go to the chain or the V-shaped structure. And then yarn over and pull through. So now how many loops I have? I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'm going to do? Yarn over and pull through 2 crochet, 2 loops. So how many I have now? 3, right? So now yarn over and pull through. This only 2 at one time. Okay. So now I have 2 loop here. So now I yarn over and pull through. You will get one loop on your this chain. This is triple crochet. I'll show you one more time. See, this is the loop I'm having on the crochet. Yarn over 1 time, yarn over 2 times. Then insert your crochet into this chain, okay, and then pull through only once. So now how many I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just put this, okay, wrap around my finger. Okay, then yarn over and pull through 2 at a time. 1, okay, yarn over and pull through 2 at a time. Yarn over, pull through 2 at a time. I'll show you one more time. Okay, see how I have 1 loop on the crochet, then 1 yarn over, 2 yarn over. So altogether I have 3. Now I'll go to the chain and yarn over and pull through. Pull through this only this chain. So how many loop I have on my crochet? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I'll do? Yarn over and pull through only 2. So see this 2. Now I have 3 loops on my crochet. 1, 2, 3. So yarn over and pull through 1. There's only 2. Then yarn over and pull through this 2. So now finish. Okay, 1, 2, go here, come back, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, through, 2, yarn over, 2, yarn over, 2. This is over. Okay, 1, 2. Two at a time. Yeah, you have to practice all the stitches. Okay, all the stitches, how to make chain, how to make single crochet, how to make double crochet, how to make triple crochet, and then we will start with other project. Thank you.